Hey guys, Jonathan here at Night Knowledge. Today's video is going to show you one of my best recipes, a pineapple cake that drives my coworkers wild. It is for Christmas, but also in celebration of surpassing 200 subscribers on my YouTube channel as of late November. This channel spawned from needing to teach my friends how to play board games both effectively and quickly, but has evolved into a channel that shows you how to quickly set up games, some strategies, and even some playthroughs. I've had some successes with some tech items and I've been able to show you some video games that I enjoy playing as well. I wanted to take some time to thank some people, including Costa, who's always providing me great constructive feedback, as well as the specific one of showing you who's behind the camera. There is Jag, who's always sending me funny videos of his family watching my videos. Hi Jaden, hi Kiki. There's Stephanie, who I know watches all my videos, whether or not she knows or cares about the videos themselves. And finally, there's Eric, who I know shares my many videos on his Discord channel. For everyone else, thank you very much for watching and for your continued support. The best feeling for me is not the likes and the subscribers, but I have to admit it does feel nice, but is really about knowing that some videos actually are really helpful for you, and that's all it's about. But let's get on to the recipe. Let's get started.